In front of me is OnePlus 15 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Start by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then you can either click on one of those themes. Quick tip, use those icons at the top right corners to see all. Click on the best one. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher to turn them off or switch them on. And then tap on apply to get this keyboard. Or, my favorite part, you can customize it with a photo. Use the same icon. Tap on this plus under my themes and tap on the photo you wanna apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage keyboards and tap on apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!